Hey guys, I'm Nathan Daniel, and today I will be showing you how to do the experiment number 3, which is the looping statements using shell scripting. So what we're going to be doing is we'll be first doing the first experiment, which is the factorial of a number. So as you can see here, the factorial of a number I have done as this. Okay, so firstly what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing echo the total number of factorial bonds, read fact, n equal to 1, counter equal to 0. So we're going to put random number n is equal to 1, uh, put this fact in this, so whatever we're typing is going to come, counter equal to 0, while dollar fact not equal to counter. So the fact is not equal to counter, then we counter is equal to expression counter plus 1. So we're going to increment it by 1. Every time the counter is incremented by 1. So then n is equal to expression n modulus counter. Done. So then we print the total of factorial. So let's check this out. So total number of factorial bonds, we want 6. So total of factorial is 720. Okay, so next experiment what we're going to do is we will be doing the sum of given series. Okay, so the sum of given series is what you've done is here. So this is the sum of given series, as you can see over here. Okay, so first what we do is we do echo, enter the range. So then we read the range, s is equal to 0, I equal to 1. Okay, then we do while I is less than equal to a range, which is the input which we are given. We do s is equal to expression, do x is equal to expression s plus I. Okay, so that becomes 0 plus 1. So then 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, so 2. So I becomes 2 and s becomes 1. So s becomes 1 and I becomes 2. So like that it keeps incrementing. So then the sum is, we'll see. Okay, so then now we enter the range. Enter the range, let's see, 5. Sum is 15. Now we move on to the third subdivision, which is a Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series. So here what we have to do is basically it increments it. So if it's like 0, that's plus 1. So 0 plus 1 equal to 0. So then 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Then this 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. Then 2 plus 1, the previous number, equals to 3. 3 plus 2, 5. It becomes like that. So x equal to 0, y equal to 1 will be printing. Then I equal to 2. I will be an increment. So Fibonacci series up to $n terms, echo $x, echo $y. While I less than equal to less than n, do I is equal to expression I. So 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. So then 3 becomes so z is equal to x plus y. So that is, so z is a new variable. So x plus y is 0 plus 1. So it becomes 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. It becomes like that, the previous number. So then we print the z value. So then x is y, y is z. So 0 is 1 and 1 is 2. Yeah, done. That's it. Let's check out the output. So Fibonacci series up to 6 terms. So this is what we have done. So that's it. Now we'll be moving on to the fourth experiment. This is the one, multiplication table. So we'll be doing the multiplication table. Okay, so actually I can show it to you. This is the one. Okay, so the third one, we are doing third one now. So experiment number 3, looping statement is shell scripting. Factorial of a number, sum of given series, Fibonacci series, multiplication table, scientific calculator. So that's the thing which we're going to be doing. So multiplication table. So multiplication table. Okay. So here we give a number and a range. Okay. So number is basically like 5. If we give, it has to multiply it with how many ever range you give. Like 10, 5 into 10. It has to come up to 10. So we will be doing, so read R, so read N. Okay, we do two things. I will be increment I equal to 0. So 0 less than equal to R. R will be a range. So echo N into I. Okay, equal to expression N mod of I. So I equal to expression I plus 1. So I is equal to I plus 1. So it increments the expression and then it's done. It's done. So that's what it does. So yeah, so then let's check it out. Oops. Five, and we're gonna give it a range of 15. So that's the output. Next, what we'll be doing is scientific calculator. So yeah. Okay, so sorry, here we're going to be starting off with the echo scientific calculator. So here we'll be doing the scientific calculator operations. D is equal to 1, while D equal to 1, do echo enter your choice, addition, subtraction, multiplication, all this we'll be doing. So here we see read choice. We enter the first number, we input it to A. Enter the second number, we input it to B. Then we give the choice in, dollar choice in. So then the first one, what we do is echo addition of 3 numbers are, so A plus B, we give that symbol BC, mod symbol BC. Subtraction of these numbers are A minus B, we give mod BC. Multiplication is the same, star B and BC. Then we give division is like this, BC, and enter degree. So here we do the degree values, that is sine, cos and tan. So if what we have done here is expression dollar degree into 3.14, that is pi into pi's value is 3.14. So pi r square, so pi r square by 100, that is 180 degree, pi 180. So echo scale equal to 3. Okay. Scale equal to 3. BC minus 1. So echo C, echo invalid choice, ESAC echo, do you want to continue? Yes or no. So read D. If D is not equal to 1, then we exit and FI and done. So let's just check the output. Okay, so here we'll be doing the addition. We'll be entering the choice addition. So 10 and 12, so it becomes 22. Okay, so do you want to continue? Yes, we want to continue. We want to do subtraction, enter the first number 1 and enter the second number 1, so it becomes 0. Then you want to enter multiplication, we can do it. 15, 15, 225. We want to still continue. Make sign, first number, second number, and goes to invalid choice. So done. So thank you, friends. This is the third experiment. This is the third experiment of the video. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.